Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop accepting responses on your Google Forms. So we are on Docs right now, and let's say we have this form right here. And the question is, are you working? Yes, no, other, etc. To stop receiving responses, all you simply have to do is come right here at the top, go to the Response tab, and right here, as you can see, we have 0 responses at the moment. But imagine this number is 12. Just like that. Now, as you can see, in order to stop accepting responses, we simply have to check right here, and you need to fill out a message. Your deadline is over. You cannot submit this form anymore. And that is it. That is how you can stop accepting responses on your Google Forms. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.